Easy on the boost pedal. All right, building boost. Oh, tire speed. Yeah, that's Alec Carson's versus JH. Oh my God, these are both of their like regular daily driven trucks. Doing everything they can. Dude, JH is cooking. That is a lot of understeer in a big truck. Ooh. That's gonna be a long ride home for Alec. All right, you guys excited for truck class? All right. Very similar trucks, side by side. Get ready. You gotta really have some track management in those big trucks. And the Sierra moves on. Here's that turbo diesel BMW.
Tire warehouse.
This should be a good race.
If I want to, I can go get tires like that. Yeah, fuck. I don't have any other races.
And they're off. The Cadillac close enough to hold the inside line, and he is. That BMW really stepping on it though, but not enough to come around the other side of the Cadillac. This is a pretty close race. Oh. Whoa. Hey, I didn't have a good view, but are you saying it's too close to call? Another good race coming up. The Cadillac is not going to let up easy though. He is hard on his tail coming out of turn 2, going through the back straight. That BMW's pulling a little bit, gains another car length on him. But the Cadillac entering turn 3 with a lot of speed and a heck of a lot of understeer. Saves it. And that's going to allow the BMW to move on to the next round. Go ahead and make some noise for these two drivers, folks. Okay, so I just got a readout on this. So here's what's happening. These two are friends. They're running just for show, but the Tundra is going to start all the way up here, and the Blazer is going to start out back here.
That's my ride home.
All right, and they're off. That's too fast, bro. Unbelievable. Oh my gosh. By some stretch of the imagination. Tell you what, we're ready to see this. Oh, the Sierra. Across the back straight. The Sierra does not come down because he didn't have enough room to make sure he could get that inside line, but JH is coming, he's pushing. It's gonna be, no, not enough.
The only way that truck wins is if the BMW's like.
Okay, so best 2 out of 3. The BMW on the inside, Sierra on the top. BMW right there. He's hitting 4 out. 2.5, 3 car lengths. Coming into turn 1 out of turn 2 on the back straight. A little bit even more of a gap there. Really making it hard for that Sierra to close down. He's entering into turn 3 with a decent amount of speed. It won't be enough though. Race 1 of 3 potential.
I think we'll see that. dirt bike.
Okay, the BMW with the jump on the outside gets done. Okay, the BMW has enough. Exiting turn 4. The BMW is our winner of the Truck Spectator Drag. Give it up for the Beamer, folks.
Yeah, I'm black.
All right. Warming up those tires. Getting a little sideways coming out of turn 2.